Lee.
I'm Gavin.
And I'm Cameron.
And we're off on another adventure to Meridian OHV Park. We've got the dirt bikes in the back. It's gonna be another hot one.
It is
Yeah, give me a quick weather report, Gavin.
93, feels like 104.
104 in the shade.
Yeah, that's it.
Yep, just 104. We blew our fan apart
Yeah.
going down the road. It's not in great shape right now, but we're gonna try to make it work. Gavin, what are you looking forward to most?
Just single track. It's gonna be my first time ever riding single track. I'm usually used to water tracks, so.
Water tracks?
Wider tracks, you punk AB.
What?
You can't.
What did you call me?
I've never really ridden on this tight of track, and I'm usually used to ATV riding, so it's gonna be new for me today.
The sand pit. I want to see what that's about, see if there's any cool.
See, that's not what I'm looking forward to. I'm
No?
not very good with sand and
I
mud.
hate sand.
Yeah.
I have some not so good experience with that kind of stuff.
Sand and mud?
Yeah. Sand, I'm always sliding around and stuff. It's just not a good time. But, you know.
Yeah. A lot of the places we have to ride down here are made for side-by-sides and mud four-wheelers, and so it's not really good for dirt bikes. So this will be our first place that's kind of purpose-built for dirt bikes, so we're stoked about that. Least looking forward to today. You have
sketchy terrain that's not really, that I shouldn't really be riding, but why not? That's what I'm not looking forward to. Sketchy riding that I really don't want to do, but
you have a love-hate relationship with your front brake.
I'm kind of not looking forward to, like, I want to see other riders, but I don't, because they're going to be going a lot faster than me, because this is my first time going on single track. And I don't have any bark busters or anything on the 110. And they're going to be ripping through the trails, and they're going to have to slow down for me. And I'm not really looking forward to having to pull over and let them pass.
I'm at least looking forward to it being 500 degrees outside.
True. .2 miles until we turn onto, I think, the road to Meridian.
what no one needs to know. We can see a 2022 KTM on the side right there.
I wish. I'd be my.
Restart the way you did not just say that. You did not just say you would be your.
If that was true, I'd be my.
It's close to destroy.
That's the sand pit.
Oh my goodness.
Holy crap, that's humongous.
We don't have sand tires.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I see the problem right from here. It won't run. It starves the engine, and it doesn't, when you push the throttle, it does exactly what you're doing.
So
It was like that when we checked for gas, it got kinked. So it probably will run perfect now.
I did it.
Did what?
Neutral. Ooh.
Congratulations. This man right here hit neutral for the first time.
That's a tough little thing right there.
Cam's bike's not running real well. All right, let's see if you can make it through here, and we'll try to end up back at the truck. You been revving it?
I've been trying to go as high as RPMs as I can.
Yeah. Just leave it running. Let me have it. I think it's idling good now. It's just that off idle, isn't it? Yeah. I just may have a speck of dirt or something.
Speck of dirt putting up a good fight.
We've always had problems with that carburetor sticking, the little
overflow.
Yeah, the pilot jet.
Yeah.
That is off idle. It's the one that always gives us problems. It's the hesitation right off start that just kills him. So Gavin's really happy to get going. I love cutting hoses today.
Why are you just cutting them?
Instead of...
I don't know. Why do they make them that long? They don't need to be that long. Why do they make them that long?
Well, they do need to be that long.
Oh, we're just bad making?
Yeah. I mean, we can either just go home and not ride, or we can cut the hoses.
Cut the hoses?
Cut the hoses, put Gatorade in the gas tank.
You never ever want to be doing trailside repairs. Well, trailer side. This is a trailer side repair. At least it's really hot out here. All right, are you ready to go past this first trail here to the...
I would love to.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Everybody good?
0.6?
We fixed Cam's bike 3 or 4 times now. Good? What?
Fell.
Oh, fell.
Yeah.
You good?
Gavin drove down here like, what the?
On the ground looking at me. I'm like,
my leg was stuck under the bike, so I couldn't get up. So I just laid back and I was like, okay.
Good place to rest?
Yeah.
well, that scared me a little bit.
You good?
Sand ain't where it at though.
Oh.
Hate sand. 4-wheeler heaven, I hate sand.
It's pretty neat out here though.
Yeah.
How you doing in the sand?
Not good.
Yo, this track is, I like this track.
Kind of tall.
Yeah, this sand's tough if you're not used to it. The way your front end floats around and stuff, you really gotta be careful. But the good thing is if you tump over, it's sand.
Can we go on the track again?
Sure. Just let me know when y'all are ready to hit some more trails.
I want to hit the track again. I like it.
All right, why don't you lead? Call a cam here on the TTR 110, see what it's got. Ooh, stanky leg there. Oh, another stanky leg. Kids are better at that than I am. You good?
Yeah. So annoying. I can't, dude.
You're good. Hey,
Yeah.
come on. You're good. Just take a breath and shake yourself off. How about we try some trails?
Holy crap.
That sounds awesome. I don't like it. But it's cool.
I got a hand a bucket of shit. That hurt.
Yeah, it looked like a wild crash. Like your hands came loose or something. Let's get some airflow and get out of the sun and the sand. We'll make another little loop maybe and then head back and get some water. You're a tough cookie. Guilty?
Yeah, that's kind of how I feel like that I'm not.
Hey, you're doing great. Hey, you're on a TTR 110 pit bike doing all these trails and just like these big bikes are, you're great. You got the toughest job of all of us. That was tight. That was cool. Woo! You whooped? You couldn't been going down some big trails.
They ain't dark. We ain't leaving.
They ain't dark. We ain't leaving.
Like people riding ride this every day. Cause look it up.
Okay, so the situation is, it's 7:46 p.m. and we're just now getting back to the main trail. It's getting dark out here. We've been through some gnarly hill climbs and ruts, crashes, wheelies, climbing, I mean, monster hills with roots and ruts in them. And we decided to take this single track trail because we didn't do one all day and we wanted to do one before we left. So we've been working on Cam's bike, his carburetor, one thing after another, late start, yada yada. But anyway, we finally got started and got to the end of this trail, and this sign was laying on the ground at the end of this trail. Extreme riding. It was not there at the beginning. It just said switchback motorcycle trail. Friendly, come see our single track trails. It's great. You'll love it. You'll have a great time. And then at the end of the trail they say, oh yeah, it's extreme riding. So yeah, we're gonna try to get back to the Jeep before dark and salvage this day before we get lost in the woods in the dark. We have conquered switchback trail, extreme riding, box run adventures, extreme motorcycle riding. Woo!
What?
Let's go. Okay. All right, guys, we did it. Another adventure in the books. We're way far away from the camera. Let's get to the Jeep. Box run adventure! Woo!